Good day everyone, we're here again at my channel. Namiss ko to. I really miss doing this stuff and it's my time to be back on my YouTube, on my track. Papansin nyo guys, sobrang busy ko and ayun, hindi ako nakakapag-post. I didn't quit. Baka akala nung iba nag-quit na ako sa YouTube. No! Andito pa rin tayo and we're doing our best to make time and do content. Ito yung best time para sa akin. Before I start pala guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Pansin nyo guys, hindi na rin ako nakagawa ng like videos. The last time I posted was last November 12 because alam nyo, sobrang busy talaga. Being a musician or performer is like taking a lot of time and it really isn't easy to perform like that na parang everyday gonna perform like twice. Today, I'm just gonna go and announce and tell you about my plans for 2025. Thank you so much for always supporting my YouTube channel and also my videos on my Facebook. Thank you so much for always checking out those works. Nga pala sa mga nakasama ko for the past months on this year, thank you so much. Na-enjoy ko yung performance with you. I was in Boracay and then dahil bagyong-bagyo siya, muntik nang makancel yung flight pa uwi, pero buti natuloy. Tapos nado naman si Mark. I contacted Mark na sumalba ng gig kong yun. Thank you so much. Pero nahabol ko naman, nakarating ako doon before ng set ko. So, thank you so much pa rin sa mga sumuporta and the violin solos. And I think siguro ang ina-announce ko siguro, sobrang busy. Wala akong mag-giveaway or whatever. Kasi wala rin time. Marami akong pwedeng i-giveaway guys. Pero wala talagang time para gawin pa yung mga ganung bagay for now. And I also check my January schedule. Sobrang busy pa rin. Di ko alam. Pero I will make sure to be back on track this coming year, this January. Kasi marami talagang nakalatag na covers na kailangan kong tapusin. Lalo na some of my YouTube fans were looking forward for my anime content. I will be back for that. And lalo na yung mga K-dramas kasi ang dami talaga ngayon sa wedding, like weddings mostly puro nahahaluan na ng mga K-drama and whatever, yung mga luma so I don't know if I have time to do that, pero I'll do my best syempre. And also marami ng pagkakabisihan talaga for now, as in, ay nga pala, salamat nga pala sa sponsor ng damit ko thank you so much. So far, sa tingin ko yung health ko okay naman. For kung may tatanong nyo lang, yung being like that busy, siguro ang pinakasikreto lang talaga yung tulog. Kasi dito sa Tagaytay, actually talaga dito, hindi maayos yung weather. Talaga minsan araw-ulan and talagang hindi mo mape-predict. So naka-ready lagi yung mga gamit ko dun, and at the same time, I always make sure na ako ay ready for that day to perform. Although talaga minsan kulang na sa tulog, pero alam niyo guys, it's part of being performer, na lalo na wedding yung talaga natin, concentration for this year. Hindi ako masyado nakapag like solo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I prioritize my band first before yung solo ko. Pero I'm opening again yung booking for solo violin. Pwede na kayo mag-start ng booking ng this year. So ayun, ganun pa rin, kasama pa rin yung ating photographer na si Kiver, and also may free video kayo syempre as my promise. Yan, may isasama ko. Meron na ako mga booking pero malalayo talaga. Laia, ganyan. Laia, Batangas, isang lalayo. Pero yun, just to share my music sa inyo, kayo na po ang bahala. Kahit saan naman ako pwede ako makarating, basta yun, palag-palag tayo. Wag lang talagang merong schedule with the band, yun, basta makakarating ako dyan. And maybe one of these days may i-include tayong bagong package, which is yung DJ. Kasi meron na akong mga, I think dalawa na yung nag-alok sa akin ng DJ na they want a violin sa set nila. So after party set, baka i-open ko for this coming year, no? This coming year, yeah. We can do after party with violin. I'm gonna try that, and let's see kung anong magiging resulta. Pero we've tried that before with Sir Mark Richmond ko. That was, I think, last February yata. This year lang din, last February. Sinubukan namin yun, and it went well naman. Okay naman. Pero I'm not sure kasi syempre iba na naman klaseng playing style yung gagawin mo pag ikaw ay nag-after party. Pero so much for that. I don't want to talk about business that much kasi hiwalay naman yun sa pag-YouTube natin. And YouTube is like parang passion for me to do videos and to connect with you guys, na i-share ko yung aking talagang gusto na hilig na music. And at the same time, yun, repertoire na rin siya para portfolio, para na-check ng mga kliyente yung mga ginagawa ko. And thank you so much for always supporting that. And also, I will also fix my Facebook page, yung yung Facebook, kasi hindi pa pala ako nakakapag sort out ng mga videos na pwede natin include na para mas madali makita ng mga clients, or kung kayo man, kung gusto nyo panoorin yung mga music videos ko, will be posted on my highlights, so you can check those soon sa highlights ko. And yun lang. So much for that, so much for business. I wish prosperity, no? Lalo na sa mga kapwa ko musician this coming year. More power sa atin. Stay healthy and be happy. Kasi talaga itong work natin is more like enjoyment, no? Kung hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, hindi rin talaga maganda yung performance na mapakita mo sa tao. So it's something like that. So kahit pagod, sobrang saya, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung month na to. I mean, not only the month, the whole year that I had, as well as yung mga nakakasama ko, sobrang saya, sobrang na-enjoy ko. Thank you so much for the company, and more power to you guys, lalo na sa Actions Band. Congratulations for natapos natin yung taon nang walang na-hospital sa atin, walang nagkaroon ng sakit na malubha, and yun lang. Thank you so much for always supporting my YouTube channel. Nga pala, paulit-ulit ako. And see you again this coming January. Magpo-post ako ng video. See you now January. Magpo-post na tayo. And gonna be back on track this coming January. See you all, guys. Bye.